If you are looking for a high quality countersink tool set, look no further than the NOGA Reversible Countersink set by Pen Tool Co. I tried this countersink tool set because I needed something that was high quality and cost efficient. This reversible countersink tool set comes with 3 high quality tools: a mini reversible, a medium reversible, and a large reversible. These reversible countersinks cut when rotated both clockwise and counterclockwise. They work very good on curved surfaces, external and internal, with absolute ease. The blade rotates with the simple press of a button at the end of the tool. These blades are replaceable if you ever happen to need to replace them. In a metalworking application, this tool is used to remove burrs from internal holes and external holes very easily. NOGA Deburring System, the acknowledged world leader in hand deburring tools and systems. NOGA Deburring System is your best solution for removing burrs from any type of material. Get yourself the reversible countersink tool set from Pen Tool Co.